Good evening, students. So, before I will start the lesson, I am just showing you this one topographical map. You see, it is totally different from all types of maps you still observed in different areas, different books, or different atlas. Right? This map is totally different. You see, its heading and all the materials, all the things, all information is totally different. You must study this map more deeply, then only you can get some knowledge about this topographical map. It is a topographical map of Odisha state.